Pakistani actress and model Faiza Ali is exactly like Kareena Kapoor. She is even more beautiful than her. She entered the world of showbiz as a model and then tried her luck in the field of acting. And today, after 25 long years, she still looks perfectly fit and smart. Faiza Ali has confirmed many times in her interviews that she takes great care of her health. And at the age of about 45, she still looks like a virgin. But unfortunately, she got married twice in his life and both failed. Let us tell you one thing here, that she also has a daughter from her first husband. Faiza Ali is an actress, model, and film actress. And now she has stopped acting in new Pakistani dramas for many years, because she is currently engaged in the good training and upbringing of her daughter Farul. And his daughter is just as sharp as she is. And both mothers and daughters are often seen as guests on Nida Yazia's morning show. But in today's article we will see that when Faiza Ali became a bride for a famous brand, she broke all the records of her own past. And by becoming a bride, she looked even more beautiful than Indian actress Kareena Kapoor. And after seeing her pictures, some people started saying that she looks like a young girl of 20 years. Do you also look exactly like Faiza Ali in her new bridal photo shoot with Indian actress Kareena Kapoor? So be sure to tell us your opinion in the comments section below. Thanks.